Following new developments in the Georgia election interference case, a federal judge could soon decide whether former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows can move his case to federal court.
Both Meadows' defense and prosecutors have until tomorrow to answer the judge's questions. Justin Finch explains.
In Atlanta, Fulton County prosecutors and attorneys for former Trump White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows closing in on a deadline to respond to a federal judge's order. By 5 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, Georgia District Judge Stephen Jones expects replies from both parties to a key question. The judge asking if at least one of Meadows' actions with state election officials falls within the scope of his chief of staff role. Would that entitle Meadows to move his case to federal court as he requests? Meadows testified Monday that he does not believe anything he did was outside of his duties.
So, Mr. President, I'll turn it over to you.
But prosecutors argue Meadows' arranging of this January 2021 phone call between Trump and Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger was political activity, which is banned under the Hatch Act for federal employees like Meadows.
So what are we going to do here, folks? I only need 11,000 votes.
Trump and Meadows are among the 19 defendants charged by the Fulton County DA with trying to overturn the 2020 election results in Georgia. Many of them are expected to be arraigned next week, including former Trump lawyer Rudy Giuliani. In a separate civil case for Giuliani, a D.C. federal judge awarded a default judgment for Georgia election workers Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss after the judge said Giuliani repeatedly ignored evidence discovery requests. The mother and daughter sued Giuliani, saying he falsely accused them of tampering with election ballots.
Ruby Freeman and Shay Freeman Moss and one other gentleman quite obviously surreptitiously passing around USB ports as if they're vials of heroin or cocaine.